Take a look at these screenshots. You can see that they have staked games with low amounts of money and are winning amounts like 2 million, 4 million, 10 million, claiming that it's a 50 game accumulator. If you've spent more than 5 minutes on Telegram, WhatsApp, or Twitter, you've seen these posts promising 100% guaranteed fixed matches or VIP ticket codes. They claim all you have to do is pay a small fee. It can be 5,000, it can be 10,000, 20,000, or $50 to get the code. But every single day, thousands of people lose their hard-earned money to this exact setup. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how these scammers use browser inspection tools, graphic overlays, and AI tools to create fake winning tickets. More importantly, I'm going to show you a hidden feature right inside SportyBet that lets you expose any fake ticket. Before we get started, do well to hit that subscribe button. I post contents about online matters and earning tricks. Without much words, let's dive in. To understand why this scam works so well, you have to look at how these operators build trust. First, they create a Telegram or WhatsApp channel and fill it with fake members using automated bots. Then, they flood the channels with daily screenshots showing huge wins. They tell you this is a direct SportyBet database leak. But here is what actually happens. You send the money and they block you immediately. Or they tell you that you need to pay an extra clearance tax or activation fee before they send the code. Or they generate a completely random bet slip with 1000 odds and above and send it to 50 different buyers. If all 50 lose, they block everyone. But if one random slip happens to win by pure luck, they screenshot that single win and post it as proof to scam the next batch of victims. Making a fake ticket takes less than 2 minutes and you don't even need advanced software. Right here on a normal desktop browser, anyone can open SportyBet, find any losing ticket or low stake bet. They can use AIs to edit the bet slip. On mobile phones, scammers use specialized Android apps templates or image editors where they simply type in match names, scores and stakes to output a fake SportyBet screenshot. Now, here is the exact secret that will kill every single scam group for you. You don't even need to stress yourself looking through the whole SportyBet app. Right now, check my description box or the pinned comment below. I dropped the direct link to the SportyBet verifier bet page. Here is all you need to do. Firstly, look at the big winning ticket screenshots the admin posted in the Telegram group. Find the verification code printed at the bottom. Click the link in my description, log into your SportyBet account and it will take you straight to the verify page. Paste that code into the box and click verify. That's all. If the ticket is real, SportyBet will show you the real matches, the exact money staked and the true outcome. If the screenshot was edited or fake, it will tell you ticket not found. If any admin hides that code or refuses to show it, just know straight away they are trying to take your money. Let's keep it 100% real. There is nothing like a 100% fixed match on Telegram. Think about it. If you had a guaranteed ticket that could pay 10 million naira every day, would you be chasing people up and down on WhatsApp asking for 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira? You will just quietly place the bet, collect your millions and enjoy your life. Don't let greedy scammers take your hard-earned money from you. Use my link in the description box to test any tickets they send you today. If you learned something from this video, I would like you to smash that like button so more people can see this and save their money. Hit subscribe for more real updates like this and drop a comment if any group has tried to scam you before. Stay sharp.